everyone, my name is Valentina and I'm with the Chipp AI team. Today, I will be going over how to create a collection form. Now, this can be found in the Connect card in your builder. So I'm going to scroll down a little bit and press collection form. It's going to ask you if you'd like to push leads to a Google Sheet. I'll say yes. If your account is currently not linked to Google or Google Sheets, it's going to give you a button that you will press and you'll go through the login and authentication flow for that. And once you're back, it'll ask you to name it. So I'm just going to leave it as is, Record Inc. Leads Sheet. I'm going to press next. And I want first name, last name, email, but I don't want email to be required. If I want to remove email altogether, I could just press this. I'm going to scroll down. I can also create a custom field if I really want to. And this message is the message up here. I believe I'll just leave it as is for right now, for simplicity's sake. And then I am going to save. Gonna think a little bit, and then it's gonna tell me, yay, our form was created successfully. And as you can see here, it's gonna show you this, and it's gonna hide the ability to add another collection sheet. You can only have one sheet at a time, and the information that users fill in these forms will be pushed to your sheet. While you're in the builder, it's gonna show you skip, but users will not have this option. This is just for ease of use for you guys. And yeah, that's it. I hope this was helpful for you guys, and I'll see you in the next one.